I bought around a year and a half ago. The actual miles, 58,000 miles on it. I'm the second owner, and it's stock except for the rally wheels I put on it and the fuel exhaust. It's just a little 318 automatic.
Jackson, Mississippi, 72 Dodge Challenger. Got a 383 with a 6-pack on it, automatic car. Factory 318, we should go on it 383. We worked on it for about 3 years now. It's coming along slow but steady.
car that I brought to the show is a 1966 Dodge Monaco 500. Originally in 66 there were just about 10,000 of these cars made. This car is all totally original. Silver paint is even the original paint color that came on the car. It's got the original spinners on it, all the original trim work. The car has a 383 engine in it, which I'll show you here. It's got a 383 engine, has 315 horsepower, and the engine is all original as well. The only thing that I have done is disassemble the engine and put it back together and repaint it as I'm bringing it back up. I actually didn't have to pull any heads or rework any valves or anything like that. The person that I got this car from's owner card is still under the hood here. Mr. Jack Curl out of Brentwood, Tennessee is the original owner of this car. He bought it for his wife in December of 1965 and bought it for her as a Christmas present that year. He bought it brand new at what is now Magic City Dodge in Birmingham, Alabama. At the time it was Liberty Dodge down in Birmingham. And the car's got 75,000 miles on it now. I've had it for approximately 1 year. So everything on the car is all totally original. It's a beautiful car. The only thing I lack, having the car completely finished out, is some paint work done and just a slight bit of body work. Had just a little ding in the front fender, and other than that, it's a totally original 66 Dodge Monaco 500, which was a special edition Monaco that they only made 10,000 of. It's got the bucket seats, the console, and all of the rally type gauges that were in that car that year in 66. Original miles are correct.
I'm from Franklin, Tennessee. This is a 1964 Dodge Polara. It has a 383 engine, 4-barrel, 330 horsepower, push-button automatic.
Mike Mitchell from Hendersonville, Tennessee. It's a 65-66 Valiant combination. Got it for $250 at Bill Trick and Oldsmobile off the back lot. My brother helped me. We got about 3 months work in it. Painted out back under a tree. Did the flame job in the garage. It's got a 273 in it. It's all stock right now. Everything. Had it almost a year.